Right behind my beautiful daughter is a Florida panther that wants to eat her and has been bounced.
Oh, wait, Mom! Where is he, bro? Oh, Nancy, he's mad! Oh my God.
Smile.
Wave, Damus, wave to him.
Alright, move it over. Let Kendall hold it.
Okay, Grammy's turn.
Do it. He feels cute. He's like Charlie. He's like Tom. Oh my God, do this one. Let me do this one. Oh, hang it. I don't know.
Yeah, like that, half his head. So when the fish comes after him, there you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I can see you if you do that. You're shaking. Don't move. Go ahead and take that picture, dog.
Oh my God. Casey,
He's eating
I
something.
don't like squirrels.
Don't move, Casey.
He's eating something.
I don't like squirrels.
What happens when he's done eating?